like magic, be like fire.
Got a furry friend but can't always be around? No worries. Today we're checking out 10 smart gadgets that help you care for your pet from anywhere. Feed them, play with them, even toss treats. Keep your pet happy, safe, and entertained with a little help from tech. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. PETLIBRO Cat Water Fountain. A water fountain designed for cats, encouraging them to drink more by providing a continuous flow of fresh water. It features a filtration system that removes impurities, ensuring clean water for your pet. The design is quiet, making it perfect for homes without distractions. The fountain's capacity is ideal for multiple cats, and the adjustable flow rate helps suit different preferences. Its compact and modern design fits well in any room, promoting hydration and health for your furry friend. Number 14. Cat Toys Ball. An interactive toy designed to keep your cat entertained for hours. It moves unpredictably, stimulating your cat's hunting instincts and encouraging exercise. The ball is lightweight, durable, and safe, making it perfect for play sessions. Its automatic movement and flashing lights capture your cat's attention, providing both mental and physical stimulation. Ideal for solo play, it helps reduce boredom and anxiety, keeping your pet active and engaged. The toy is easy to use and can be enjoyed in various indoor spaces. Number 13. Ball Launcher. Keep your dog busy and active with a smart ball launcher that does all the throwing for you. Just drop in a ball and press a button. It shoots out automatically, offering your pet endless fetch fun. Great for dogs who love to run, especially when you're busy or tired. Adjustable launch settings let you choose different distances, from short indoor tosses to long outdoor throws. Some models even offer random directions for an extra challenge. Built-in safety sensors stop the launcher if your pet is too close, helping prevent accidents. It runs on battery or USB power and works in parks, yards, or your living room. Durable, easy to clean, and perfect for solo play, it's a fun way to keep your dog happy, healthy, and moving. No more tired arms, just tail-wagging excitement every time. Number 12. Pet Nail Grinder. A safe and efficient tool for trimming your dog's nails. Designed to smooth rough edges and prevent sharp points, it helps maintain your pet's paw health. With adjustable speeds and a quiet motor, it provides a comfortable experience for both pets and owners. The grinder is easy to handle and reduces the risk of cutting too short. Perfect for at-home grooming, it keeps your dog's nails neat and well-maintained without causing discomfort. Ideal for pets of all sizes. Number 11. Pet Water Bottle. A convenient and portable solution for keeping your pet hydrated on the go. Designed with a one-handed operation, it allows you to easily dispense water into a built-in bowl. Ideal for walks, hikes, or trips, it helps ensure your pet stays refreshed throughout the day. The bottle is leak-proof and easy to carry, fitting in most bags or cups holders. Perfect for active pets, it provides quick access to water without the hassle of traditional bowls. Number 10. EBO. Keep your pet entertained and safe with a smart rolling companion that follows them, plays with lasers or sounds, and lets you interact via live video and two-way audio. It moves on wheels, avoids obstacles, and returns to its charging station automatically. With an HD camera, night vision, and pet tracking, it's great for both day and night use. Controlled through an app, it's perfect for cats or small dogs, and offers extra features like AI, toys, and patrol modes for added fun. Number 9. Pet GPS Tracker. Keep track of your pet's location with a smart collar attachment that uses GPS to show their position in real time. You can set up safe zones and receive alerts if they wander outside. Lightweight and easy to clip onto any collar, it's ideal for pets that love to explore. Some models also track steps, playtime, and rest. Designed for outdoor activities, it stays secure during walks or hikes, offering peace of mind with long battery life and added features like lights or sounds for easier tracking. Number 8. LUMO Leaf Water Bowl. Hydrate your pet more easily with a bowl that controls water flow using a floating disc. As your pet drinks, only a small amount of water rises, reducing spills, splashes, and fast gulping. Perfect for home or travel, it has a non-slip base that stays in place, even in moving vehicles. The design keeps water clean by blocking dust, fur, and dirt. Some models feature glowing lights and track water intake. Made from durable, safe materials, it's easy to clean and ideal for messy drinkers. Number 7. Paw Cleaner. Keep your home clean with a tool designed to quickly wash your pet's paws. Simply fill it with water, place the paw inside, and twist gently. Soft silicone bristles scrub away dirt, mud, and sand without causing discomfort. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store by the door, in the car, or in your travel bag. Some models come apart for easy cleaning. Perfect for dogs and cats, it helps maintain a cleaner home and reduces the mess after walks or outdoor play. Number 6. Pet Urine Detector. A device designed to detect pet urine stains on floors, carpets, and furniture. It uses UV light to highlight areas that are hard to see with the naked eye, making cleaning more effective. Ideal for pet owners, it helps ensure homes stay fresh by pinpointing accidents. Compact and easy to use, the tool is a must-have for maintaining a clean environment and preventing odors. Its practical design makes it a handy addition to any pet-friendly household. Number 5. Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Keep your home cleaner with a smart litter solution that automatically cleans after your cat. Sensors trigger a cleaning cycle that moves waste into a sealed bin, reducing odors and mess. The quiet motor ensures a calm environment, and the enclosed tray holds waste until it's time to empty it every few days. Some models include app tracking for updates and reminders. Ideal for busy households or multiple cats, it maintains hygiene with minimal effort, offering more free time and a cleaner home. Number 4. Automatic Feeder. Make feeding your pet easy with a smart feeder that provides the right portion at the right time, even when you're not home. You can schedule meals, adjust portion sizes, and even record a custom voice to call your pet. The sealed container keeps food fresh, and built-in sensors notify you when to refill. It has backup battery power for outages and is easy to clean with removable, dishwasher-safe parts. Perfect for busy routines, it helps maintain a healthy feeding schedule with minimal effort. Number 3. Automatic Smart Bone. Keep your dog entertained with an interactive toy that moves, rolls, and bounces on its own. It changes movement patterns to keep playtime engaging and can hide treats to encourage curiosity. You can control it via an app or let it run on auto mode. Made from chew-resistant, pet-safe materials, it's durable enough for rough play. The rechargeable battery lasts long, and cleaning is easy. Perfect for mental stimulation, exercise, and reducing boredom, it offers adjustable difficulty to keep your dog challenged and happy. Number 2. Mighty Paw Smart Bell. Give your dog an easy way to signal when it's time for a walk or potty break with a smart bell system. A tap from their paw or nose activates the bell, alerting you inside with a chime. It reduces barking, whining, and scratching at the door. The receiver plugs into any outlet and offers adjustable volume with various sound options. The water-resistant touchpad is simple to install and strong enough for excited pets. It helps improve communication and encourages better habits. Number 1. Pet Grooming Gloves. Grooming gloves make it easy to reduce shedding and mess while petting your dog or cat. Soft rubber tips gently collect loose fur, dirt, and dander as you stroke, giving your pet a soothing massage without pulling. Great for both short and long hair, these gloves help maintain a cleaner home and healthier fur. They also work well during bath time to spread shampoo and scrub gently. Comfortable, flexible, and easy to clean, they're perfect for bonding and grooming your pet. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.